done with Uno. No, look into it. Because it look like someone on a blind. Look on Akeem. I tell you. Look how Akeem is young. Do you really think Akeem will settle down with a bullfrog like Rosealee? Because it look like someone on a blind. Bring back appearance. Bring back when people look good with people who look good. Do you really think that Akeem would have take up Finn young self and go there with Rosealee with bigger stink and fat? She can't even sit down and close her legs them like a lady. She sit down and skin out like she has sell down a market. Her foot them, not even her ankle them can twist so for clothes. Just sit down and pussy. Every day her pussy I get breeze out. Every day her front her breeze out. She can't even walk fast.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. Now, you see, internet sensation Ivany deal with Fantastic Four away, you know, and this is all because Dyema did respond to figure it out, you know, basically saying he's a user and all of these things, you know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, and internet sensation did not like that because she said, I want yamhead this, and you know the other yamhead that. Rosealee, you feel me? And them say all the people that was warning them about, you know, these guys was really just using them, but them never listen. Listen, I say, and Ivany said I might carry feelings from a longer time for her. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And you know, Dyema they talk about Ivany's son were there, so you know, say, all gloves off, you know. So let's hear what one from that to go on, and we proceed with the next.
Akeem trying to late for no event, because Rosealee gonna make it extra. She can't even walk fast. You have to 30 minutes early. She walk slow. She walk like there's a heavyweight on her, which is her back. You really think that Akeem would have dashed with Fame life? And Fame look a young girl and when I talk, if you go second down with blood clot Rosealee. You think every day one man want get up and hear a woman a cuss. Rosealee torment every day her life she torment. Akeem now go second down with she. Akeem is there for the money and I don't wrong him, tired for tell him. Take everything where you can get and when there is nothing else leave, you go. Take everything where you can take and go. Look pan Javi. Dyema. Take a look on the girl who Javi there with. You don't even half compare to them. Do your research. I can do it for you. Do your research. Me know every girl with Javi talk to. Couple of them, me and them a friend. Block you. Go block you. Leave. Come back on the next page. Couple of them, me and them a friend. The girl I'm a Javi talk to a look good girl. Me don't know why you know a fool Rosealee and I tell her she look good and no two lie Rosealee don't look good. And me don't know why you know I tell Dyema say Dyema look good because Dyema don't look good. Just like how people look for me and say, Van, you're pretty. And one next person would see a filter. When I say Dyema just up in a real life, Dyema don't even look good like how she did look good one time. Dyema skinny. Dyema suck out and yam out. Dyema skinny down to the bone. You can't see Dyema collarbone them come out. Dyema only girl me see use filter on TikTok and I can't tell see a filter. Normally when girl lose filter, the first thing you see them pretty. When me see Dyema, the first thing me see a filter. Your filter is too smooth. You know if you use filter, people can't see a filter. Filter for use to enhance your beauty. Filter for use to enhance your beauty. When you use a filter, nobody is supposed to look at it and say, boy, a filter. They're supposed to look at it and say, boy, you're pretty, man. I can't look at them and say, boy, you're pretty, man. Until I can say, boy, you have too much filter. She make the filter so smooth. She look like a cartoon. She look like a fucking cartoon at this point. Look there. Me pass Francine, so you look good to looking like a cartoon. You don't look good, girl. And she don't have that big body there like what she did have. What them have, like what them area say a rent place. I hear people them say, oh, one time I ask her, what she have over me when me not have? Oh, she have a house. But my pastor what day I say she rent house. So what the fuck you have a land and you have a house panic but you rent house? Then that makes sense. So people are build house nowadays and build up their house for the left that the house are going to rent to our next house. Which part of that make blood clot sense? Javi don't want your bitch. Javi have him new woman them. Him look good girl them. I really think some look boy them would have left Uno. Left him girl them for go there with Uno. No, me see why you hate me, girl. Remember now? Vani pussy stink. Vani have chlamydia. Vani all a shot. Vani this. Vani that. But as soon as Javi turned on him life, yeah man, Vani was my first love in a man. It coming like me can't. To all Javi spread it in everybody ears, me can't say it exactly like what I'm saying. Yeah man, Vani is my first love in a boy. Me tell you that was my first love in a. I can't discern no time. I want to come on the internet and she deal with me somewhere. I can't discern no time. Dyema, you beg for ear when me hear on the internet. Remember me and the boy in there now, and he man remind me. Remember me and the boy in there, and he remind me every day say me I'm first love. And as me say, me have alright for this Javi, because Javi know where that this year come from. Me just get up and just diss the boy so. This is coming from pregnancy, this with me and him. I bring a blood clot vengeance in my heart where God alone can come take that out. This a come from when me and Javi used to there and me get pregnant. So me will forever this Javi, me know where to come from. But you want the boy diss me. Me not forget one time the boy come live, hear you. This the girl, look how much time she had this year. And I me have to run out and this her. You want the boy for diss me and the boy not diss me for you. Make the boy diss me for him. When him ready for diss me, I can't take it no more and he diss me. Me never have to come on the internet come back. None of my man them for love me, hear you.
Tell me, Dyema, me love you.
How the boy ever tell him love you and him love you? What kind of mad man this? Hey guys, on the duck. Duck, you know? Blood clot, duck. All the boy ever tell us him love you and him don't love you. Love you weird. Me and Javi, the friend, him just a grow wisdom teeth. Me hear upon live attack, but me don't want nothing with Vani them fuck. Me don't want nothing with Vani them fuck. Anything Vani them did upon, me don't want them because Vani a nasty girl. But you beg my ex for tell you, say, you want him for love you. Love weird. The only thing them love is the money. I would have love it too. But Javi and Akeem, take one you can take and left you look a dirty girl them. You think Javi a fool? Why? You don't think Javi the ear say the shot monster? Can you come like me alone and walk a shot like she not forgot about her own? Why you think a young green boy want you when you the shot monster? Where you want to go shut up him look a cock too? You think a boy a idiot? Remember you walk on and see a shit in a bucket. Which man will take up uno when walk on and say, just like how me have a dirty ways a man not take me up. Uno have to. You walk and you shit in a bucket and a man not take you up. You walk and you shot man stand and me have to come out come defend you. Javi not take you up. Okay, where she say?
I'm afraid to deal with your top, hide it. You can talk about that's how you take things so. Somebody can take things so 9 months.
The boy want young girl pussy to keep him cock active. Where all girl front a go. Eh? Them say all broom sweep good, that's when you're blind. All broom sweep, not blind, him can't see where my sweep. Him don't need you for guide him. We don't need no grandma for guide we and tell we no chronicles. Him want young girl for keep him cocky head active. Young girls. Blood clot you got for your all swabble up front for come shrivel up the boy young cock. Again move a dirty blood clot and tap force on yourself on the boy.
Bro, come on, no man.
I want you to cuss Rosealee, say Rosealee not get no fuck. You not get none neither. The boy they smart. Hey, the boy they smart. Hey, the boy they smart. Me say, Javi and Akeem are the smartest young thugs me see on the internet. What? Remember me they come telling us say them not get no.
You're manipulating, you're Lillian manipulating, and you're Lillian go like say.
Let's not do that. No. You're not going to accuse the young man them like that. Let's not do that. I'm telling you, see, some woman, me not speak for all woman. Some woman are the pit from the devil root, you know. You see, when a woman can't get to them, I'm telling you something, you see, woman are something you want to be careful of. You see, woman are something you want to be careful. You see, when they not get what they want, they make you look like the worst. You never did know that Javi was a manipulator before you realize them not want you. All along when people are want to know for no own good. We're not telling you what to do with in the life, you know. We're not telling you say, alright, don't talk to him. We never did that try to encourage you to break up or not be friends or whatever. We just have put on upon the God. You see a woman with depend on her God when no say a man no want you, but you still play along. You know the man no want you, you know. But you not go just left him kind of do you nothing. You not really do you nothing for you go left him. But you depend on your God. So if when him left you now, it not gonna be a bother to you and you not gonna feel no way because you already did depend on your God. That different. You know how much people will tap up on the screen on the disc for you two boy them? You know how much rankers on the disc for you two boy them only because we're telling us that the boy they don't want to them and use, you know? And now it a bubble down for you to realize that the boy don't want to know. Here with the words we use. Manipulator. If the boy them is a manipulator, one is a we call it narcissist. If the boy them is a manipulator, one is a narcissist then, or a narcissist, or whatever the word name. One not much different from them because narcissist. Hey, go ahead. Go ahead. Fling big stone. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. If a boy them a user, then uno a bigger manipulator than them. Because uno know what they did up to. But uno blind to the situation and know that things are reaching uno want to switch it around on the boy them say them a manipulator. And all them use uno. The boy them not use uno use yourself. Right now there is nobody to blame, but you can't blame the viewers, you can't blame the rankers, you can't blame the boy them for use, you have to blame on yourself. I wouldn't mind them dig uno down deeper and deeper. But manipulator.
Perfect. I ever come into the portray one thing. Yeah, this young little boy that don't do shit. You fucking selfish, bro.
Bye.
All the kids your ass at that.
See you.
All the time. Bro. Don't do that, man. Don't do that.
When Dyema and Javi start talk, right? Them start do them look serious thing. Not sure from when I realize that Dyema and a girl's girl and she a good friend. Sometimes I will send her a request. I not even know say Javi over there. She start decline me. She start decline me. It can't be because you don't want me on screen with him because probably him don't want me on screen with me. Fine. Sometimes. True the one, babes. Sometimes you can tell me say you don't want to add me on the screen with the boy, whatever. Fine. You don't tell me no, you just start decline me. You see, if I start decline me, I don't really send her no request. I just leave her alone. You know what she do one time? I realize say, yeah, you have a problem. One time she have, I remember that screen recorder with the goat. She and figure it out the on screen one time. You know, so the bitch see me and mind my own business for my life and send me a request. With she and Javi up on the screen. And then same time I say, oh. And I jump off and Javi must did jump off and she must did add him back. And I see a screen record, I say later after. And she start laugh. And then I say, I fuck you. Why would you add me on the screen with the boy and not playing a match or no? You have a problem. From this I realize, you know what? I'm going to cut you off. Remember, Monster come out and say, she shot him. Who did pick up fear? When everybody laugh and I say, true. Who pick up fear and the argument don't even involve me? The boy never diss me. And the way I come out and class, Monster for blood clot, Dyema. I remember Dyema diss me by add me to my ex-live and I'm going to say nothing. Well, look now, somebody dead. I must say Nisha dead. And I'm not going to call people dead name and things, you know, but Nisha must have passed away. And them have her 9-9. Enhance must have the down there. Remember, I never asked for sit there, man. I asked Raikou, where everybody they like, but I said, where Raja there, where Dyema there, and he start show everybody. When me answer Dyema there, he said Dyema there over one part over there, so he might go over there. I said, okay, cool. I never know show over there with Enhance. Come up on the screen with Raikou all up. Never show over there with Enhance. It's one time Raikou go over them and hear the phone. Support, you see the attitude where Dyema give me. Like she said, yeah, I watch you, but I put Enhance, you want to come on the screen now, yeah, I want. And that vibe that she give me, you know. Every Saturday night, they shame. Me used to shame me up, I say, shame. When I see all the girl that behave with her attitude, I say, hey. Same time, I say, Raikou, I soon come back, I'm come off the screen and go about my business. Dyema and Javi series never catch me for watch them. Never see them come out with a series where buzz me for watch them yet. I always Rosealee and Akeem me watch them big and boring. My watching as much as me and Rose na chat, me up on my fake page, and Rosealee and Akeem me watch through. Me no watch Dyema and Javi. So I wouldn't know if Javidi put on your name or not. The only reason why I didn't even watch, are when them have some celebration. I must say Christmas or somebody's birthday and them a pass on gifts. And the tension in their house, because Dyema look for Rosealee, say what kind of gift this Rosealee I get from Akeem. And Rosealee bad mind Dyema because Dyema get the good gift them. And that's the only thing me that watch them with. Me not watch them. She come go on like, oh,
problems in the comment section, because that's why you see Dyema posts up that on our page a little while ago where she and figure it out, having, a dinner date, and I say, this, I'm mad, the mad girl, them. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, this is just part one of many, because Ivany did that talk for a long time. Listen, I say, so I suggest you just watch next videos them that you see on the screen in the meantime, you know what I'm saying, and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because when we drop part 2 it's going to be issues. Bless.